I'm Ryan Iverson, and this is the Investor Breakout Weekly Insight. Let's talk about what happened this week. Canada is getting a sovereign wealth fund, but right now, there are more questions than answers. Prime Minister Mark Carney announced a $25 billion fund aimed at investing in major national infrastructure projects. On paper, it's a big move. Sovereign wealth funds can drive long-term growth, fund critical infrastructure, and generate returns for future generations. But the details matter, and they are still unclear. First, where is the money coming from? If it is funded through debt, the fund will need to generate returns that exceed borrowing costs. That is a higher bar than it sounds. Second, how independent is it? The fund is expected to operate at arm's length from the government. But if political priorities shape investment decisions, that introduces risk. Third, what is the strategy? Will it invest like a traditional sovereign fund, diversified and return focused? Or will it act like a policy tool, backing projects that may not attract private capital on their own? There is also a new wrinkle. A potential retail component that allows Canadians to invest directly. That could open access, but it also raises questions about risk, especially if projects are not commercially viable. The big picture is this. Done right, a sovereign wealth fund can be a powerful economic tool. Done poorly, it becomes an expensive experiment. And right now, the market is still waiting for clarity. Aldebaran Resources was one of the top 5 picks at the Scottsdale Capital Event. And this is a story with scale. The company trading under ALDE on the venture is advancing the Alter Copper Gold Project in Argentina, a large district-scale asset in one of the world's most prolific copper belts. This is a serious neighborhood. A recent preliminary economic assessment outlines a 48-year mine life, with average annual production of over 100,000 tons of copper equivalent. The project carries an after-tax NPV of roughly $2 billion and an internal rate of return of just over 20%, pointing to a long-life, large-scale operation. It also continues to expand its broader portfolio. Aldebaran also holds the Rio Grande project, where a recent resource update outlined approximately 1.4 million ounces of gold, along with additional copper exposure. The company has also been actively building capital, completing a $20 million financing to support continued drilling and development work. And structurally, the company has taken steps to protect and position the business, including adopting a shareholder rights plan, which is a move often associated with growing strategic interest. Aldebaran is building a large-scale copper and gold platform at a time when global demand for copper is accelerating. And with capital in place, a defined development path, and continued exploration upside, this is a company moving forward. Aldebaran's editorial spotlight is coming soon to the Investor Breakout newsletter. I'm Ryan Iverson, and we'll see you next week.